First heading is your MAC. A media access controller MAC address is a 48-bit addresses that is used for communication between two hosts in the network Ethernet environment. It is a hardware addresses manufactured into every network card NIC, such as an Ethernet card or Wi-Fi card, and therefore cannot be changed. A MAC address is supposed to be globally unique. MAC addresses is also known as hardware address or physical address. MAC addresses are made up of 6 two-digit hexadecimal numbers, in total 12 hexadecimal digits separated by colons. Example, this you just check this diagram. In the first starting 3 numbers call your originally unique identifier OUI, and last 3 numbers call your NICSF network interface controller specific. Every hexadecimal character represents 4 bits, so the first 6 hexadecimal characters represents the manufacturer's or vendor numbers. How to find the MAC address of your own computer? If you are using Windows, enter the command prompt start program accessories command prompt and type the ipconfigure/all command, and as soon as you press enter key you will observe a field called physical address displayed under Ethernet adapter. Next heading is your routing. The router is responsible for the routing of traffic between networks. Routing is a process of moving data packets between different networks. Two different networks cannot communicate with each other. They need a mediator device that can switch packets between them. Router takes this responsibility. Router interfaces are associated with different networks, and this is the diagram of the router. Routing, it's how work. First is your source, and source start from this side, and these arrow signs show the how it's reaching the destination point. Source like this, and this is your destination point. This is the meaning of your routing. Next heading is your URL, Uniform Resource Locator. In the Uniform Resource Locator, we have the subdomain, top level domain. In the subdomain, we have the HTTP protocol, hypertext transfer, W3 subdomain, and Google is your domain name, and the .com is the top level domain. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator and helps in locating a particular website or a web page. To facilitate access to documents distributed throughout the world, HTTP uses locators. The Uniform Resource Locator URL is a standard for specifying any kind of information on the internet. URL structure. URL defines the 4 things: protocols, host computer, port, and path. The protocol is a client/server program used to retrieve the document. Many different protocols can retrieve a document. Among them are FTP or HTTP. The most common protocol today is HTTP. The host is the computer on which the information is located, although the name of the computer can be an alias. Web pages are usually stored on computers, and computers are given alias names that usually begin with the characters W3. The URL can optionally contain the port number of the server.